problem. The problem that we are going to solve in this video is find the difference of two arrays. This is a very easy problem, and to solve this problem we are going to use set. First we will create a set of all the elements present inside nums1 array. We will do the same thing for the elements present inside the nums2 array. Then we will iterate over all of the elements present inside the nums2 one by one. We will check if the current value is already present in the set 1. If it is present, simply remove the element from the set. Because we only have to return distinct elements in both of the arrays, we also need to remove the current value from the set 2 because this is duplicate in both of the arrays. Then we will return list by converting set elements to list. Let's submit the solution. Our solution has been accepted, and the time complexity of this solution is big O of n, and the space complexity is also big O of n.